What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. So for this episode guys, we will be doing a box break of this blaster box of 2022-2023 Panini Flux. So 4 cards per pack, 6 packs per box for a total of 6, 12, 18, 24 cards all in all. So look for autographs for some of the game's hottest players. Then we're also looking for the blaster exclusive ultra rare time flux inserts. And then ito yung mga possible cards na makuha natin. So feel free to pause the video if you want to check them out. So again, meron tayong mga base silver mojos, numbered siya from 99, and then base rookie silvers, so on and so forth. So let's check later on. But before we go further, let me share to you our ongoing raffles and promo. Of course, we are giving away free NBA cards, guys. So I'll be linking the video above. So all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, guys. Leave a comment dun sa video na yon sa taas of your favorite NBA team. And then on January, meron tayong box break draw number 2. The first player, yung team na makukuha natin, nung first player na yon, the card will be yours. So that's very simple, guys. We'll be giving away free NBA cards. Ongoing din guys yung ating Christmas holiday raffle. So I'll be linking na lang, no, for the interest of time. I'll be linking the video, the link down below for the full FAQs and mechanics. So please join. Naka-double entries tayo guys nitong coming December 12 sa Shopee and Lazada. Alright, so with that, let's start ripping, no? Ito yung card natin, 2022-2023 Panini Flux Blaster Box. Okay, so let's see kung ano yung mga possible cards na makukuha natin guys. Again, available po ito sa ating official Lazada and Shopee stores, and sa ating official website din, cards360.store. So again, check them out and feel free to get one. Alright, so let's rip one today. Ayan. So gilid natin. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 packs all in all. So konti lang to guys, no? 4 cards lang siya per pack. Okay, so let's rip the first pack. Okay. By the way, ito din yung cards na pamimigay namin, no? Ito din yung i-rip natin na blaster box para dun sa ating Christmas holiday raffle. So 15 of you will be able to win NBA cards through drop pick order. Ayan, so ito siya. So let's check. Ayan. So for our first card, Monte Morris from the Washington Wizards. Bojan Bogdanovic from the Detroit Pistons. Kelly Olynyk from the Utah Jazz. And we have a deluxe Jaren Jackson Jr. Nice card. Okay. Ayan natin yan. Moving on to the second pack. Again guys, feel free to subscribe and like our channel guys para you'll get to see more of this content. Again, we appreciate all your support. So please don't forget to like and subscribe para you'll be notified for new contents. And of course, yung mga bagong releases, card solutions ni Cards360, ma-notify din kayo. Yung mga raffles and of course, mga ongoing promotions natin. Second pack, first card is Patrick Williams from the Chicago Bulls. Malik Monk, Brandon Ingram, and then sa likod we have Dame Lillard Flux Appeal. Nice card. Okay, natin dito. Third pack. By the way guys, available din yung mega box, no, nitong Panini Flux. So check nyo na lang sa ating mga official stores. Blaster and mega box available po pareho. Okay? By the way, if you want yung hobby, parating na rin yun guys. So just follow our official Facebook and Instagram para ma-update tayo. Uy, meron sa likod. Ganda niya guys. Ito, kailangan takpan natin to. Hindi ko sure kung normal insert lang to or parallel guys, no? I'm not so sure, pero para maganda, takpan muna natin para suspense tayo. Okay, first card for the third pack, Cole Anthony, na leading candidate, no, for 6th Man of the Year. DeAndre Hunter from the Atlanta Hawks, and we have a Josh Giddey. Ayan. So tabi muna natin tong makulay na card. Let's go to the fourth pack now. Okay. For the fourth pack, Okay. We have KCP, Onyeka Okongwu, Colin Sexton, and we have nice Chet Holmgren Freshman Year. Ayan. So I think kailangan natin sleeves to, guys, no? Leading Rookie of the Year candidate, head-to-head sila ni, of course, top pick Victor Wembanyama. Alright, let's move on to the 5th pack. Fifth pack tayo, guys. Okay. Quentin Grimes, Denny Avia from the Washington Wizards, Josh Christopher, and for our silver, we have Jonathan Kuminga. Alright, last pack na tayo. Uy, may number tayo sa dulo, guys. May numbered card tayo. Nice one. So again, maganda talaga tong Panini Flux, guys, no? Again, nahinto siya for a year and then binalik nila this year. Talagang based sa mga reviews din online, magaganda yung mga cards na nakukuha dito. Again, just check, available to, guys, Blaster and Mega Box. Check nyo na lang yung mga links down below how to get one. Alright? Jamal Murray. We have Torrey Craig from the Phoenix Suns, and we have a rookie card of Jalen Williams. Ayan. So now, reveal na natin, no, yung magagandang cards natin. We have 2 cards here. So unahin natin tong isa. Rookie ba siya? Hindi siya rookie. It's from the Kings, the Aaron Fox. Nice card, guys, no? Ganda siya. Okay? Sleeves natin yan. Nice. The Aaron Fox. And then for our last card, na numbered siya, guys. From the Toronto Raptors, we have Gary Trent Jr. So again, guys, so blaster box lang to, pero merong numbered card. 10 out of 10. So, di ba? Sangka pa. Napakaganda niya. So, again, that's all for us, everyone. Again, thank you very much for all your support. Feel free to like, subscribe to our official YouTube channel, guys. And again, if you want to avail one of these cards, of this box rather, Blaster Box Man or Mega Box, just check our official website. That's all for us today, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you and God bless. Goodbye for now.